welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little pumpkin. The tools that I'll be using today are a 5.5mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, some pipe cleaner, a yarn needle, some jute twine, or anything that you would like to make a bow out of. This is the color I chose for my stem, and for the pumpkin I chose the typical orange color. And you can also stuff them with a variety of things like potpourri, yarn, or the fiberfill stuffing like we'll use in this example for today. So to get started, all you're going to do is make a slip knot, and we're going to chain 11. And then starting in the second chain from the hook, we're going to do 10 single crochet. So once you have 10 single crochets, you're going to chain 1 and turn, and then only in the back loop, single crochet all the way down. And again, we're going to chain 1, flip our work, and you see how it has that ridge. We're going to do this for a total of 22 rows, and I'll meet you back when we're finished. Now that's 22 rows. I am going to leave a very long tail on this, just so I have enough. So I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to go back into the back loop, and I'm going to go into the very first chain that we created on the other end and bring it through and slip stitch it. And I'm going to do this all the way across. Back loop, go through the chain stitch, bring it through. I'm going to go all the way down. Now I'm going to bring this through, grab my needle, and all we're going to do is weave in and out of each stitch all the way around. Okay, and you can pull it through as you go. This is just going to cinch it together, back and forth. So you see how that's together. When you're at the very end, you'll just stick it through the middle, bring it up. Then we're going to get some stuffing. Okay, so I have grabbed just some polyester stuffing. Just start stuffing your pumpkin. So now you're going to do the very same thing. You're going to weave in and out so you can cinch this top portion. Okay, there's our pumpkin. And I'm just going to go down through the middle, come out the bottom, and that kind of gives it its pumpkin shape. I'm just going to tie off down here at the bottom. So there's our pumpkin. Now we're going to work on the stem. So we finished our pumpkin. I have gotten some pipe cleaners that I had lying around. These are about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches. I'm going to chain 8. Starting in the second chain from the hook, you will do single crochet stitches to the end of the row. Then you'll chain 1 and turn your work. And you'll want to do a total of 5 rows of single crochet. And I'll meet you back here when you're finished. Now that you have your 5 rows of single crochet completed, you'll take the pipe cleaner and lay it on top and then fold it so you can stitch the ends together. You'll slip stitch the ends together just like you did on the pumpkin. So since it has a little ridge where we slip stitched, then we will just fold this over and whip stitch this. I'm just going to tie this together so it stays secure. Then, before I start to attach it to the pumpkin, I'm going to weave this in and out just to get rid of this one from the end of the chain. And I can just cut it off there. And now, since it has that pipe cleaner in there, it'll stay. And now it's time to attach your stem to your pumpkin. You just want to sew it enough to where it stays secure. The last step that I did was created a little bow out of the jute twine and attached it on there and secured it, and now I have a cute little pumpkin all ready for the holidays. If you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials, and I hope you have an amazing day ahead. Thanks so much for watching.